Okay guys, when I say I think I have been doing my eyebrows for an hour, which is normal for me. So now I just go in with my lighter concealer, Tarte Shade Tape again, and this is light medium honey. Then I go ahead, since I am kind of like doing eyeshadow, I just go ahead and go in with a lighter concealer. Okay, so I know I look crazy right now, but you'll see in a second. Okay, so the reason why I go ahead and do this is because I need to go ahead and have pigment. So pretty much this enhances my eyeshadow since the concealer is light and since it is sticky. So the reason why I say my concealer is sticky is because I leave it for, I can say about like 2 minutes, so it can go ahead and have a thicker consistency and a drier consistency where I can just blend it out like it is and then start in with eyeshadow. Okay, so now that I have my eyebrows done, let's go ahead and pat out this concealer and let's get this makeup look started. Okay, so I haven't used this palette in a long time, and this is the Masquerade palette by Juvia's Place. And this is what we're going to use today with the new eyeshadow that I brought by SugarPill. And it is the white eyeshadow in Tako that I was talking about in the Following Nicole Guerrero makeup tutorial. So yeah, I can't wait to try out this shadow. And it's super white. First, I'm going to go ahead and go in with Burkina. Not sure how you say it. And like I said, we did not go ahead and set that concealer. So you got to be very gentle and not drag it. You got to blend, pick up, blend, pick up. So, okay, so now I'm going to go in with an even more fluffier brush. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out at the top. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and go back in with that shade. Now, before we do anything else, I am going to go ahead and go in with that SugarPill shadow in Tako. I'm just going to go ahead and take this flat shader brush and pick up that white. Okay, so now I'm going in with that first shadow from the Juvia's Place palette. And now I'm just going to go ahead and blend that back in. And now I'm going to take that brush that had nothing on it and blend both of that out. So like I said, I'm just blending out with a fluffy brush to make sure everything is soft and smooth and subtle and not very harsh. Since this is a chocolate shade, I'm going to go in Fulani. This shade right here. I'm not sure how you say that. So now we're just going to focus this shade in the crease on the outer corner. And just take it into that crease. And only take it in that part, because if you take it anywhere else, you will ruin this look. Okay, so now we're going to take our concealer and just go in. Okay, so pretty much you see how this part is. Just go ahead and carve out the rest, stopping right in here. Do not go further because we just want that part of the eye. And the way I'm doing it is I'm not doing the full up into my crease because it will transfer. So pretty much you want to make sure it does not transfer up. So I'm just taking it halfway on my lid. Okay, so pretty much just go ahead and tap out this concealer a little. Don't go too far. Okay, so now that concealer has set and we blended that out a little, we're just going to go ahead and pack on this white eyeshadow, like I said, from SugarPill. And it's very pigmented and I'm in love. Okay, so now that we have that packed on, let's go ahead and go in with that first shadow and just blend that out. Let's go ahead and go in with that second shadow, and let's go ahead and blend this out, this part, little by little, and just go up and down and just blend it out very softly because you want it to look diffused and a very smooth transition. Now to make that white eyeshadow more pigmented, just go ahead and in the white area, tap it on and go back in with your blending brush and just blend that out a little. You got your glam look. Okay, so pretty much for me, I like going a little extra. When don't I? Okay, so pretty much since I'm a little extra, go ahead and if you want to do this part, make sure you don't look up. Make sure you let it dry before looking up, because if you look up, it's going to transfer everywhere and it's just not going to look cute. So be careful with this part if you're going to do this. Yeah, that's all I can say is just be careful. So can you see that, guys? Oh, this is a difficult. See, even I am saying that this is difficult. Oh, see, look. Oh my gosh. This is okay, guys. So yeah, that's it for the eye. I'm gonna go ahead and be right back with lashes. Now I am gonna go ahead and use the Lilly lashes synthetic ones from the Sephora. From the Sephora collection, and obviously you can tell it is in the style MYKONOS. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go ahead and do, and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a combination today, and I'm doing the BAREMINERALS barePro foundation in the shade 22 Teak, and I am adding my Tarte stick foundation in the shade Tan Sand. So yeah, let's mix that up. Okay, now that we look like we're from Wakanda. Let's go ahead and add the BAREMINERALS. Ooh, hope we can get it open. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of this Maybelline. I'm just adding a whole bunch of crap together. But to balance this out, I'm gonna add some Maybelline 24-hour Superstay foundation in the shade 312. Ooh. Okay, so I do want to go ahead and try out my new concealer, which is by Urban Decay. So one moment. Okay, so the shade that I picked up with the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer is the shade Medium Light Warm. Hopefully, not sure. Hopefully this is my shade, cause we gonna look real crusty if it ain't. Okay. We're gonna add a little bit of Tarte in here also. I love the wine. I don't like the smell. I really don't like the smell. It's starting crazy. Yeah, I really don't like the smell of this concealer. It's a little too strong. So if you're very big on smell, I don't know if you are gonna like this concealer. Okay, so let's add a little of Tarte Shape Tape. Okay, so I'm just gonna blend out these parts because I definitely don't want it to be too patchy. I just want it to blend in a little more. But we're not gonna leave that on for a long time. Okay, so now let's go ahead and blend out this concealer. I don't know why, but I really like blending out my concealer now with a brush. Okay, so now I'm gonna take one of my Real Technique sponge. I haven't used these sponges in a while. And we're gonna go ahead and take some Smashbox water and just go ahead and spray that and then blend out the rest of this concealer. Okay, so now that we blend out this section, let's go ahead and tap it in with a foundation brush to blend it in. Because we don't want to look crazy. Okay guys, so pretty much we just went ahead and set the theme. So let's go ahead and get to face products and lips and we'll be through. So pretty much we're just gonna go ahead and use a couple of products that we haven't used in a while. And this is, I think, in Nutmeg. This one right here. This is the medium to tan kit. There's contour. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you are giving me love. You are giving me love. Okay, let's not do too much. Okay, we're going above and beyond. I hate doing it like this because honestly, I'm so right-handed. I don't know why I'm singing like 90s songs back from Raven. Like, what are you doing? Raven, but that's how Raven used to literally be my show. I would watch that every single day. Like when I wake up in the morning, when I go to bed, when I was sleepy, when I came from school, when I was doing my homework. Like, y'all, like I'm pretty sure my family was like, this girl is crazy. And then, you know, you grow up and then you say, okay, let's move to bigger and better things. So I moved on to Lizzie McGuire. Oh, do you guys want me to do a story time on when I was supposed to be, when I was supposed to be on Disney, but it didn't go that way. Okay, so today we're adding 2 highlights. The first highlight is going to be 80 Watt in LA Girl, and then the second one is going to be Sleek Makeup in Solistic. We're going to be using the orange out of this one. I don't know if you can see that. And this is kind of like a pinky. So I kind of want to mix those 2 up together. We're brothers. Forever. We're happy and we're singing and we're colored. Wait, y'all, what am I doing? I have not did blush yet. We're going to do this first, then do those 2 highlights. So you already know. If you don't know, you're new. And this is Paaarty by Tarte. And we're just going to go ahead and blush up our cheeks with a Luxie brush. Okay, so let's go ahead and go in with the Solistic palette. Ooh. Oh my god. I look like I have a mirror on my face. That looks so pretty. Okay, so we're on almost dead battery, but let's continue. So we're gonna go ahead and go in with this shade right here first. And we're gonna take a little brush, a yellow brush. We're gonna blend that on the bottom lash line. And then we're gonna take the second shade that we had used, and we're gonna put that on top of it and blend that out. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and use mascara, and I'm going to use my mini me Tarte mascara, Tarte mascara, a Lights Camera Action mascara. I forgot to add one thing, and that was supposed to be, you know what, it looks good without it, it's fine, whatever. I really love this mascara. It works perfect on my bottom lashes, y'all. The white. Oh, your lips. Okay, so I know I use this liquid lipstick a lot, but we just gonna use Starfish by Anastasia. Sorry. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and add Lychee by ColourPop. Okay, so now we're gonna use the all-nighter spray by Decay. And that's it. So, if you liked this video, leave a thumbs up. Please comment on Oh, okay. Please comment on what's your favorite highlighter right now. Because right now I'm so confused on. I did hear about the Mreezy highlight by Anastasia. Gotta try that out. And yeah, like comment on what highlight that you love, because obviously I love highlights. So yeah, just comment that. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click that bell right below the subscribe button. No, I had that wrong. Right by the subscribe button to go ahead and be reminded every single time I upload, so you can catch up with me every single time. And don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. I have them all linked below. And at the end of this video, you will see all of my @names. So don't forget to follow me. So yeah, have a blessed day, guys, and see you next time. Bye, guys.